Yes, it's on.
Are we recording?
We are recording.
Okay.
We are live.
We're not live.
So here it is. It's June 15th, and this is our latest product review and personal safety announcement.
Don't hide under the table!
Yes, hiding under the table is not safe. You could get kicked.
Hey!
Well, you're just hurting yourself there.
No, I'm hurting her.
Oh, okay. I'm not sure how.
I kicked her.
So it is the summertime, and we've had a beautiful, gorgeous summer so far.
Until today, where it's pouring.
Yes.
Well, it was okay for the first part of the day.
And the rain came down, and washed right into it.
Okay.
But yeah.
And we had a really nice. Today was the last day of camp, of summer camp, the folk arts camp. That was pretty cool.
Okay, now let's get to the video.
Product review.
Oh yeah, I was
What are
at
we
the.
reviewing today?
I was at the store today at our local find everything that you've never seen before store. At least for
Everything
us.
you never knew you wanted but did.
Yes. And I got us some jackfruit.
Red apple?
Yep, we got some jackfruit at Red Apple and some chicharrones. And just yeah, that's a little loud.
Sorry.
So
Calm down, Samuel.
Fini, Fizzy, tornadoes, berry blend with a bit of fizz, soft and chewy candy.
can you have
Artificially
it
flavored.
face the camera? Fizzy tornadoes. To me that says straw. Straw. Yes. And it is not made in the US. It is, I believe it said it was made in Italy.
I've watched too many game shows.
Can you guys read where it's made from? Made at?
Product of Spain.
Oh, Spain, not. Okay, product of Spain.
España.
Yes.
Okay, so let's open it up. I made to rip with the front.
All right, and I looked, and the product expiration date is October, so it's still nice and fresh.
October what?
2018.
Okay, so we're good.
Okay, so
Wow.
just one.
One for you.
Thank you.
Are they hollow?
One for you, Mom.
Well, I can't hold one.
They
Okay,
are
take it.
compressed.
Yeah, they are smooshied.
They're smushed. Oh, that's sad. It looked like they were going to be hollow.
No, it does on the package, but it looks like they've been stacked flat.
Oh, there. I'm opening mine up by taking a bite of it from one end. Take a bite of the other end.
There we go, I did it.
Oh, it's kind of sour. Ah. How did this compare to the licorice you had the other day at the fair, Sophia?
This is much better because the licorice at the fair had fondant filling, which didn't taste the best. So I had to eat it separately.
Okay. It's not going to work as a straw. I'm sad.
I don't know. I'm sure we could find a way. It's supposed to be a straw. I want it to be a straw.
So if you look on the package,
Oh.
it looks like a straw. That's why we're done.
Fizzy tornadoes. I think I can make it be a straw. Ooh, you know what? We've got those skewers. Those wooden skewers. I think those would work.
So I'm rolling it between my fingers a little bit in cross section. I can feel it loosening up.
Because we are in Alaska.
We're bored.
Well, and I'm just saying, it traveled a long way to get here. So we're recording today. I'm using a tablet, and I will say that holding a tablet to make a recording is way harder than holding a cell phone.
That's how we usually do it.
So they have the consistency of
taste like sour candy. So Spain's got their sour candy going. I'm worried it's gonna be spicy. So do I need to put this on? Oh, I hear some suction there.
Sophia's got her phone.
You know what we can use this with? Okay, hold on review. Coming up. Coming up. Well, you may notice that we have our
Yeah, they're too short. I'm gonna have to pause. All right, I paused to find some skewers, but apparently all the skewers have been used for other things.
And while she was doing that, we decided to open up our wonderful cans of bubblers.
Bubbly sparkling water.
Yeah. By the
No
way,
sugar,
yeah.
which is disappointing to the child.
Yeah, so
Doesn't taste like anything really. So I was hoping we could use these first. It's a really small one.
For a straw.
to see that's so short.
It's very short, yes. But this one works.
Does it make anything more bubbly? That's just gross.
No, it doesn't.
No more bubbly. Well, it says fizzy. I mean, the whole fizzy tornado thing, I don't know.
I think it means fizzy as in
Fuzzy?
as
Maybe
in
fizzy.
sour.
Oh, maybe fizzy. Fizzy doesn't mean sour. Maybe fizzy means something different in Spanish.
I think it really is all about the sour coating on them.
Oh, because to me, fizzy means like plop, plop, fizz, fizz, you know?
Like this.
Booble, booble, yeah.
That's fizzy.
That's fizzy.
These are not fizzy.
These are not fizzy.
These are fruity and sour.
Fruity, yeah.
They're definitely fruity and sour. I like fruity and sour. So I like them. I'd have to give them a thumbs up. What about you? You're too busy just playing with it.
I think it's okay, but the fact that it says fizzy and it's not fizzy makes me angry. Just like, why does it say fizzy and it's not fizzy?
I'm not worried about that part. Now, if they were coated with Pop Rocks, they'd be fizzy.
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah, well, I was shot down on the whole Pop Rock Oreo cookie review because everyone else was like, that's not gross. But that's got to be like the best invention in all of... Yeah, the best combo in junk food history.
Oh, no.
Oreo and Pop Rocks, hello.
No.
Well, okay, Pop Rocks and soda was, but that was like not marketed that way.
But it was the best.
When Pop Rocks were still Pop Rocks.
Yep. Back in the day.
You know, it was so funny. You guys were talking the other day about how you just like put the whole thing in your mouth. Mm-hmm. And I would never, ever do that. I would like put a finger in and like touch it to my tongue. And the thing of Pop Rocks for me, I would want it to last forever, but it would like get in my pocket and get all, or, you know, because I grew up in Oregon and it was so moist there, it would just turn into a big blob. And I would never, I mean, I only got just the tiniest bits of it because I was trying to save it and use it a little at a time. But I never could have tolerated a whole thing of Pop Rocks in my mouth at once. Your finger's looking much more down to size. You're using your hand almost normally.
Getting there.
Yeah.
Well, our male Siamese cat bit me. It was my fault because I scared him.
You scared him when he was trying to defend the homeland.
Well,
Yeah, he was trying to He was threatening another cat with his life when you snuck up behind him and tried to extricate him from the situation. Yeah. And you got almost a week's worth of hospital stay, and I don't know how many weeks off of work we're going to have. It's looking much better.
I have some marvelous pictures.
Please, no, thank you.
Okay.
It's not the...
Well, you started the show and tell.
Yeah, no. We're not showing flesh wounds.
It's not a flesh wound. I've had worse. Your arm's off.
Is it working, Sophia? Any fizzing?
Nope, only the old fizzing.
Only the soda's fizzing. Okay. Well, fizzy tornadoes. Yeah, we'll have to find out if fizzy means something different in Spanish. So
Yeah, but the whole label's printed in English.
true. Soft and chewy candy.
But I don't like the bubbly.
Well, yeah.
Then don't drink my grapefruit bubbly.
I know you keep saying you don't like it, and then you keep drinking it.
Well, I don't want it to not be drank, so I just down it, and it's hard.
She cray.
I like the smell of it.
Yeah, it smells amazing.
It does. It smells good.
I got bubbles in my nose. Like, you know how when it's a sparkling beverage?
Mm-hmm.
And, like, you go to smell it, and then you get, like, these
The little tickles.
Yeah,
The
and,
little...
like, and sometimes it gets up your nose, and it gets really annoying and tickly. Not it again. Why do I keep on doing that?
So what I'd like to do for our next product test
What?
is mountain bars.
You said that last time.
I know, and I ate them.
But I don't know. I don't think mountain bars are...
I don't quite care for them.
Well, and they're things everybody knows already. These are things like we've never seen before. So it's always a surprise. You like the classics, is what you're saying.
A lot of these people don't know about the classics. They have no idea what mountain bars and Chico sticks and
What
look
are
bars.
Chico sticks?
See? Chico sticks. No idea.
The precursor to Butterfingers, I think. Maybe. We're not big Butterfingers fans. Anyway.
Yes, we are.
Oh, okay. My bad.
We are?
Peanut butter and chocolate.
Okay.
Well,
Adios.
We shall sign off.
No, we don't go yet.
Why?
Yes, it's time.
¿Por qué no?
Because we need to
In
rate
3,
the bubbly.
2.
We need to rate the bubbly.
You
already-
didn't give any fun. Oh, yeah, you gave one was a thumbs up and the other was a
Yeah.
thumbs down. Sorry,
Thumbs up
that
or
was
thumbs
me
down?
rubbing my nose.
Thumbs up because of the flavor, but it's sort of a thumbs down. It's like in the middle. Because it's like, it says it's fizzy, but it's not.
Waffle.
False advertisement is what you're claiming.
And then the bubbly. The bubbly has no sugar.
Thumbs up. Thumbs up for the bubbly.
But I can drink
You
it.
get from Donut Man.
Hey. I like it because it doesn't have any sugar. I like the taste.
All right.
Uh-huh.
Alrighty. All right, it's good to... Oh.
From Anchorage, Alaska.